Hello friends, this is Deepak Upadhyay from Berrio Logistics. We are into 9 years of freight forwarding and custom clearance. Started in 2014 with one office in Vashi with freight forwarding product. Now we are into air, LCL, FCL, custom clearance, break bulk, warehousing, and we have 9 offices all over India. We are associated with Fresa from day one. Since the inception of the company, Fresa is always attached to us. We started with Fresa basic software. Then after 4 years, we have moved to Fresa Gold. And the software and the ERP based technology is one of the wonderful, I can say, in our market. I have seen couple of other software company, but Fresa is one of the best in ERP. They have just recently done 10th anniversary in last week. I congratulate them all the very best to Senthil, Kumar and all his team, and all the very best. Keep it up.